Back net one, and Christian Mayfield came to car from Moffett County, and that's on deck net one.
Go, Gavin. Up and out, up and out. Come on, Gavin. Go, Coan.
Block that, pull that in, stick it out. Just keep with the crossface.
Good pressure, you gotta get good pressure. Keep your pressure. Hey, just go to a cradle with it. Yep, go to a cradle with it. Cradle it. Over hip to hip, hip to hip. Step over hip to hip.
Run 2 bars, maybe? Like a wing? Can you run 2 bars like a wing? Steam out. Lift the leg. There you go, he's going. Lift the leg.
Go.
You got 20.
You got 20, go. Over to here, over to here.
Under the arm.
Hey, gotta go. Hey, make it go. Fast.